To your left, right there. I'm about to crank it up. I want you to tell me how it sounds.
Oh no. You gonna put all that noise on it?
Yeah. Hold it real quick. Hold it. Hold it.
They do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. They do it. Come on. Come on. They do it. They beat living boom cause. They do it. They beat like a boom cause. They do it. Come on. Come on. The beat level boom cause she liking my flow. Big being on all bitch called the scope. Beat the bar to ride with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. No roofing on that bitch gon' hit the dough. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime on the dude, but I still wipe your nose. They do it. They do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real lost star. Used to pull up and shoot up the water. Now show us the nigga they talk. They do it. Hot little boy on that.
So I'm about to let my grandma drive my car, y'all, just to get her review on it, and also her review on how loud it is. She's driven it before, but this has only been whenever I first got the car, and I definitely didn't have the pedal box, and she only drove it in eco mode. I made sure of that. But I'm ready for her to get in so I can get her reaction, and also so y'all can see her reaction. Don't mind the tires back there in the back. I just got my tires put on. Hopefully I'll upload these videos in the correct order. Y'all get this video after y'all get the video of me putting the tires on. Hopefully. If y'all get this video before you get me getting the tires on, then you understand. But yeah, I had to get the tires put on first before I let her drive it, because I don't trust nobody driving on them tires but me. They ain't bad, but with so much power coming from the back, I'd rather be on the safe side. But anyway, make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, drop a green emoji when the video is over with. Come back and leave an extra comment, and if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Also, this video is sponsored by Keontae J Hits. Click that link down below in the description and follow him or go to his website. But let him know on Instagram that Slime Pack sent you so you can get the best deals. Alright, y'all, so that Monday when I didn't upload a video, and a lot of y'all was asking me like, what's wrong? Is you okay? Is you good? He the reason why I didn't upload a video, because he unplugged my computer from exporting. And a lot of y'all know if you export on Adobe Premiere Pro and you use, you know, high quality settings, it's gonna take a minute to export. So blame him. What you gotta say? Look at this camera. What you gotta say?
All I'm saying is that good thing. My grandma did the same thing as me.
So I mean, what you gotta say to the people?
Make sure you subscribe, link, go to my cousin Instagram and stuff like that. And that's it.
Y'all heard him, you know, subscribe. What you think about me letting her drive the car?
Not good.
You don't think it's gonna be good? Why not? It's too fast for her.
Yeah.
You don't think she can handle it?
No.
She been driving longer than me. So you don't think she drive better than me?
No, because if she hit that thing right there, it's gonna go fast.
It's gonna go fast? So don't let her drive. Don't let her drive, so let her drive? Alright, huh? Wait. Don't let her drive. Alright, well, we about to let her drive. This ain't no picture. Come on, son. Hold, come over to your left. Right there. I'm about to crank it up. I want you to tell me how it sounds.
Oh no. You gonna put all that noise on it?
Yep.
Oh Lord. Why you gonna do all that? Cool it, honey, cool it. Cool it. I'm filming, honey. I'm filming.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Don't move my seat. That's right, not them feet off.
I don't know how to do all that. You know I just been surgery on that knee. He been doing all that. What's all that stuff there?
What's the?
That there.
I got you in sport mode. Well, let me drop you down to eco.
Yeah, drop me.
Cut that pedal box off real quick.
I don't know how to.
I'm gonna cut it off.
Yeah. How you cut it off?
I cut it off already.
Still loud.
It don't matter. It's still gonna be loud.
Damn. Where we going?
We just finna ride.
Where is TJ? How you got this?
Make sure you don't go in them holes.
Oh God! God! My brake not like this.
Come on, Grandma.
Which way we going?
You wanna ride through town?
Yeah.
Don't be scared to hit it now.
I like my shit.
You got it my way.
Can't hit it on here.
I don't know why you got them shades on.
Cause I want to, that's why. I got them on.
Hit it a little bit. Make something.
Speed limit 35.
We in Dubai though.
Okay, goodbye though. Where's Bobby?
So how you like to feel it?
It's good. Just about like my van.
Girl, please don't disrespect my car like that. It don't feel like no van.
All except the brakes.
Don't feel like no van.
I'm gonna go down the road here.
You ain't got this much power. Oh, you?
I got a Hemi.
Ain't no Hemi.
I do got a
They
Hemi.
ain't got no Hemi and no Honda
I be
van,
hit
y'all.
that Hemi.
I ain't got no Hemi and no Honda van. Not no Honda Odyssey.
Yes, I do. You think, ooh,
Girl.
yes, honey. Yes, hunties. Let me see that place back there. Give me some vegetables. Yes.
So what you think about me doing YouTube?
I like it.
You like it?
Yes, I like it. And I am very proud of you.
You are?
Yes, I did good raising you. I did good.
You know, Mama gonna watch this video on you. She ain't gonna like the credit that you're taking for it.
Well, I did raise you. I did more raising than she did.
Okay, you ain't gotta get all salty on camera now.
Okay, then.
Okay? Come on now. Hit it.
I'm in the speed limit. I ain't want no ticket.
So you don't even know where you at with speed limit.
I do. I'm in Baidu.
Well, I'm finna go ahead and put you in sport mode.
Oh, no, you don't.
Watch this.
Wait till I get on the road.
You is on the road.
Other road I'm going.
Sport mode.
Oh, what's what mode?
You felt the difference?
I feel a kick.
Yeah, you felt that kick.
Yeah, what is
Just
that?
tap it a little bit.
What that do?
What you mean what it do?
And now go behind you. Know your daddy heard you in the crack. No, your granddaddy.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
You gonna go down the country way?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
It's that car stay there all the time.
Yes, so.
Every time I come out here, they
What you doing coming down this way all the time?
got a lot of business. That's loud jazz.
What's loud?
Car. Okay, you behind me. Get off my tail.
Hit it a little bit. Hit it. Want me to show you a trick?
Pull it.
Hold that red thing. Just hold it. Hold it real quick. Hold it. Hold it. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Girl, scaring me.
Yes, sir.
Oh, no.
That dropped you down a gear.
Why?
Yeah, that's
What
dropped
I'm
me.
in there?
No, I put you back in auto.
Oh, okay. Scaring me like that, girl. I'm glad I can't see my eyes when I did that.
Take them glasses off so you can see the real you.
Why? I want to see the cute me.
Girl.
Yes. The cute me.
I'm gonna cut the pedal box on.
What's a pedal box?
Huh?
What is that?
This is a little pedal box.
What is it?
Not much.
Yeah, right. Left.
After you start, I'm gonna cut that pedal box on. Or you can just go on to the right. Y'all, I just cut the pedal box on. Number 3.
And what is that? What the world? Girl, you better cut that thing over here. What's wrong with you? Cut that thing off. Be jerking like something crazy.
There you go. Just hit it one time for the YouTube. Ain't no police, bro. You in the speed limit.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, you is.
Be leaving 35.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's where we go.
So you like the way it drives?
Yeah, girl.
It's smooth.
I need that. I need it one day to go. I can find your granddaddy.
Yeah. Is it? I already got a granddaddy.
I
Is
can
it
get you
smooth?
another one.
Is it smooth?
Yeah.
So I'm about to show her how to drive this, y'all. You short.
I'm the same height as you are.
Billy, you is not the same height
I
as me.
am. You're not taller than me.
I am taller than you.
No, you're not. I'm the same. Feels good to me. Hi, girl. Okay, that's good.
I got you.
Yeah, right. Alright, girl. Stop it. I'm gonna get out and walk home. All that fuss for anyhow. Why's all that fuss? What?
I'm about to take you back home.
Okay, get home. That boy say, hear you every time you pass by, he know it's you. Look, girl. Stop that for the police get us. That won't mess up transmission. Okay, girl. Okay. That won't mess up transmission.
What?
Doing that.